Hello, young readers. Welcome to Story Time. Today, we are reading a special story called Sam the Space Snail, written by Fatima Fahed. Are you ready? Let's begin. Page 1. Sam is a snail. Sam is not a slow snail. Sam is a space snail. Listen for the S sound. Sam, snail, space. Page 2. Sam has a ship. The ship is silver and shiny. Look at my ship, says Sam. The ship goes zoom. Listen for the S sound. Sam, ship, silver, shiny, says. Page 3. Sam sees a red planet. He sees a red rock. He sees a red star. I like red, says Sam. Listen for the S sound. Sam sees, star says. Page 4. Sam sees a green alien. The alien has 6 legs. Hello, says the alien. Sam hides in his shell. Listen for the S sound. Sam sees 6, shell. Page 5. The alien has a snack. It is a sweet space grape. Sam is hungry. Sam eats the snack. Listen for the S sound. Snack, sweet, space, Sam. Page 6. The sun is down. The stars are out. Sam is sleepy. Good night, space snail. Listen for the S sound. Sun, stars, sleepy, snail. Great job, everyone. You did wonderful reading today. If you liked Sam's adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories written by Fatima Fahed. See you next time. Bye-bye.